Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial we are going to build a clean and modern navigation bar with a cool animated underline effect on hover using just HTML and CSS. So let's dive in. The HTML begins with a nav element which defines a navigation section for the page. Inside it there are 4 anchor tags. Each anchor tag creates a clickable link that allows the user to navigate to a specific section of page like home, about, services and contact. The href attribute use hashtag such as hashtag home, hashtag about, which are designed to scroll the page to elements with matching IDs. This makes the navigation work smoothly within a single page layout. Structuring the links this way keeps the markup clean and semantic, while also making it easy to target these links for styling and interaction using CSS later on. Now coming to CSS, the CSS begins with a universal selector which resets the default padding and margin on all elements to 0. This helps eliminate inconsistent spacing across the browsers. It also sets box sizing to a border box so that the padding and borders are included within the element's total width and height, making layout calculations more predictable. Next, the nav element is positioned right at the center of the page. This is achieved by setting its position to absolute, placing it 50% from top and 50% from the left of the viewport. Then it's pulled back by half of its own width and height using transform translate -50% -50%, which perfectly centers the navigation menu both vertically and horizontally. The individual anchor tag inside the nav are styled to look clean and modern. They are made position relative, which allows us to position child elements like the underline relative to each link. The text color is set to black, margins are added for spacing between the links. The font size is increased for better readability, and the default underline is removed by setting text decoration to none. Now comes the interactive effect. Each anchor tag is given a after pseudo-element which acts like a custom underline. This line is positioned at center bottom of the link but is initially invisible thanks to scale x 0 transformation. The transform origin is set to center, so when it animates it grows outward from the middle. It's given a fixed height and a bright blue color, and a transition is added so the animation feels smooth when it changes. Finally, when a user hovers over a link, the text color is changed to the same blue color, giving a visual feedback. At the same time, the after element is scaled up to full width using scale x1, creating a sleek and subtle underline animation that draws attention without being overwhelming.